Welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat I'm going to show you today is a 2007 GT 205 Glastron Bowrider. This boat's an absolutely beautiful Bowrider boat. It has the V8 in it. It's got the 5-volt Volvo Penta. It's going to have a ton of power for this. We'll show you on the water here in a little bit. On the back, you can see it has the extended swim platform with the boarding ladder, which is a great feature on a boat like this. A lot of seating room if you're going to water ski, pull tubers, easy to climb in and out of if you're out snorkeling. Has a nice sun deck here. Nice area to lay out, take some sun. It's got the big bench seat. It's got the two captain's seats here. The driver's seat does have the bolster seat, which folds up, makes it easy to get in and out. That's a great feature. Nice bimini top. This boat also has the full cockpit covers for the back and the front, and you'll see that a little better in the pictures. Only 9.9 hours on the hour meter, very low hour boat. Water ski storage in the floor. Got your AM/FM CD player here in the glove box. Let's go up front and take a look. You can see that it has a great seating area on the front of the boat. Very comfortable also. A lot of storage underneath these cushions. Snap-in carpets. These carpets are removable. Let's fire it up, go on the water and have some fun. That's the 5.0 Volvo Penta. Runs great. This boat's going to fly. Well, you can see this Glastron runs great. The 5.0 motor pushes it awesome. At the dash area, you can see the dash is very clean. You have your tilt wheel, depth sounder, all the gauges are in excellent condition. This boat's going to make someone a great Bowrider with a ton of horsepower. Have a nice day, and God bless.